Hey guys, welcome back to English to Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone.
James, today's topic is very useful. Very useful in daily life. Because every person needs help sometimes.
That is true.
But many people feel nervous asking for help in English.
Yes, they know what they need,
But they don't know how to ask.
so they stay silent.
James, tell me honestly,
Okay?
why do people fear asking for help?
Because they think too much.
About what?
They think, what if my English is wrong? What if people laugh? What if I disturb someone? What if they say no?
Very common fear.
Yes,
But here is one truth.
asking for help is not weakness,
It is communication.
and smart people ask questions.
Exactly.
Emma, imagine this.
Okay.
You are lost in a new city. You need direction,
Yes.
but you stay silent because of fear.
Then bigger problem starts.
Right.
So, first lesson,
Start politely.
very important.
Use words like, excuse me, please, can you help me?
These small words sound respectful.
Let's start simple.
Situation 1. Asking for directions.
You can say, excuse me, can you help me? Where is the nearest bus stop?
Very natural.
Or, can you tell me how to reach the hospital?
Easy and clear. James, what if I don't understand the answer?
Good question.
Many beginners face this.
Then ask politely again.
Like,
Sorry, can you repeat that? Could you speak slowly, please? Can you explain again?
that is powerful.
Remember this.
Asking again is okay.
Silence is worse than asking twice.
Situation 2. Asking help in school.
Common problem.
You don't understand homework.
Then say, can you help me with this question?
Or, I did not understand this lesson. Can you explain it?
Very polite.
Situation 3. Asking help from a friend.
Easy.
Example?
Can you help me carry this bag?
Or, can you check my English sentence?
Friendly and normal.
Now, office situation.
Very important.
Sometimes people fear asking seniors.
But good workers ask clearly.
Example.
Can you guide me on this task? I need help understanding this report. Could you show me how to do this?
Professional English.
Emma, I think people make one big mistake.
What is that?
They say only, help me.
Too short.
Yes, not clear.
Better to explain.
Exactly.
Example. Wrong. Help me.
Better, can you help me understand this form?
Now person knows what you need.
Let's go deeper.
Okay.
Sometimes asking help is emotional too.
True.
Maybe you are stressed.
Or confused.
Then simple English works.
Like,
I need some help. I am confused. Can you explain this? Can I ask you something?
very natural. James, what if someone says no?
Important topic.
Yes.
Don't take it personally.
Why?
Maybe they are busy. Maybe they don't know. Maybe wrong time.
So what should we do?
Ask someone else politely.
Confidence grows when you ask.
Fear grows when you stay silent.
Strong line.
Now, phone conversation.
A little harder.
But useful.
Example.
Hello, I need some help with my account. Could you guide me?
Nice.
Or, can you connect me to customer support?
Good real-life practice.
Now, shop situation.
Very common.
You can ask, can you help me find this product?
Or, do you have this in another size?
Very useful English.
Hospital situation.
Important.
You can say, excuse me, can you tell me where the doctor's room is?
Or, I need help filling this form.
Practical English.
Emma, tell me the secret of asking for help.
3 steps.
Tell us.
Be polite.
Be clear.
Be calm.
Very simple.
Let's practice a mini conversation.
Good idea.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you tell me where the train station is?
Go straight and turn left.
Sorry, can you repeat that slowly?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See? Very easy.
Real English is often simple. Now, another hidden skill.
Listening carefully.
If you ask for help, listen fully.
Don't interrupt quickly.
Good listening saves confusion.
Let's imagine two people.
Okay?
One person feels confused but never asks.
Mistakes increase.
Another person asks simple questions.
Learning increases.
After 1 year?
Big difference.
That is why asking questions matters.
It saves time.
It builds confidence.
It improves English.
And it makes life easier.
Final message, guys.
Don't fear small mistakes.
Speak politely.
Ask clearly.
Repeat if needed.
And never feel weak for asking help.
Because asking is learning.
Homework time.
Very important. Write in comments, what sentence do you use when asking for help? Example, excuse me, can you help me?
Keep it simple.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning with English to flow.
Confidence starts when you ask.
Bye.
Bye, guys.